Hello, my name is Madani Suranta, in 65. I will presenting about topic evaluation of EMG feature extraction for hand movement recognition based on Euclidean distance and standard deviation. Overview, abstract, introduction, material and method, result, discussion, and conclusion. The abstract. In EMG hand movement recognition, the first and the most important step is feature extraction. The optimal features is of important for the achievement in EMG analysis and control. In this paper, we present a statistical criterion method using the ratio between evidence distance and standard deviation, which can respond the distance between two scattered groups and directly address the variation of features in the same group as a selection tool to find the optimal EMG feature. 15 features that have been widely used to classify EMG signals were used. The optimal features is conducted to demonstrate the validity of the purpose index. The major advantage of this method are simplicities of implementation and computation. Moreover, the results of proposed method are the same trend with classification results of the achievement classifier in EMG recognition. From the experimental results, waveform length is the best feature comparing with the other features. Root mean square, mean absolute value, Williams amplitude, and integrated EMG are useful augmenting features for a more powerful feature vector. From these results, it demonstrates that the Purkus method can be used for an EMG features evaluation index. Introduction. Electromyography or EMG signal have the properties of non-stationary, nonlinear, complexity, and large variation. This leads to difficulty in analyzing EMG signal. In the EMG hand movement recognition, there are two main points, namely feature selection and classifier design that should be paid more attention. In this paper, we focus on the first point. In general, the method of feature selection can be divided into two types: the measure of classification accuracy and the evaluation using statistical criteria. The first selection method has major disadvantage that the evaluation of EMG features depend on the classifier type, but the second selection method is not problematic in this way and tries to quantify the suitableness of the feature space. In this paper, we use two fundamental methods which can evaluate distance between two scatter group or separation index and directly address the variation of features in the same group or compactness index. The ratio between equilibrium distance and standard deviation. The most significant advantage of this method is that it is simple to be implemented and computed. For this purpose, we evaluated different kinds of features that have been widely used in EMG hand movement recognition, and there are up-to-date to available techniques today and used in EMG applications such as control of EMG robots and prosthesis of the EMG diagnosis of nerve and muscle diseases. Many research work have explored the extraction of features from EMG signal for hand movement recognition. For example, features based on the on-time domain are mean absolute value, modified mean absolute value, RMS, E, I, EMG, simple square integral, variance, mean absolute slope, waveform length, zero crossing, slope change, Wilson amplitude, and auto-regressive model. Moreover, features based on frequency domain. Accordingly, we select six kinds of frequently used hand movement to be classified. In additional, the muscle position of electrodes are selected based on the relation between muscle location and hand movement to obtain the meaningful EMG signal. Method, experiment, and data acquisition. Varieties of EMG signals from 6 hand movement and 2 muscle position are used as representative data in this study. 10 data sets were collected for each hand movement from 2 channels by 2 pairs of bipolar again of ACL electrodes. Therefore, there were 120 datasets of EMG signal in subjects. One pair of muscle position was placed over the flexor carpi radialis, and the other was placed over the extensor carpi radialis longus. Differential amplifiers were set with 60 dB gain and bandpass filter of 10 until 500 Hz. Bandwidths were used to remove high random frequency interference and the motion artifact at low frequency. Sampling frequency was set as 1000 Hz using a 16-bit analog to digital converter board. In the analysis, the window length of EMG samples was set for 256 milliseconds with the objective of real-time signal processing. In other words, the maximum permissible delay for EMG hand prosthetic control should be less than 300 milliseconds. Methodology, feature extraction stage, 15 features from time domain and frequency domain are used in this evaluation. Time domain features are measured as a function of time because of their implementation and computation simplicity. Time domain features are the most popular in EMG hand movement recognition. All features in time domain can be implemented in real time. Normally, features in this group are used for detecting muscle contraction, muscle activity, and onset detection. The 13 features based on time integrated EMG, MRV, MRVS, SSI, SSI, VAR, RMS, WLZ, C, SSC, WMP, AR, MDF, and NF. Intersection stage. The good quality in class separability point of view means that the result of misclassification rate in the lowest or the highest of separation between classes is obtained, and the small value of variation in subject experiment is reached. We introduce the statistic criterion method which can evaluate distance between two scatter group or separation index and directly address the variation of features in the same group or compactness index. The best performance of classification is obtained when the ED value is high and the SD value is low. Therefore, the RESPQ index should be relaxed to obtain better performance. Journal compare the result of the proposed method with the classification result of the achievement classifier in EMG recognition and use the result of support vector machine or SVM classifier to compare. Result and discussion. In order to demonstrate the classification performance, the scatter plots between EMG features from two muscle of 6 movement are used to confirm the distance between two scatter group and the variation of features in the same group. From the experimental result, WL is the best features compared with the other features. WL obtained the RES index as 11,764. Conclusion, the result of RES index are same line with the classification result of SVM classifier. From the experiment demonstrate that RES index can be used as an EMG features evaluation index. The combination of some useful features should be tested using the proposed index and the achievement classifier to find optimal features vector for EMG recognition. Okay, the reference. Okay, thank you.